Hey, it's Tom Zeeb with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and I want to announce a very special hurricane sale from down here in Sarasota, Florida. I'm not at my house at the moment because mandatory evacuation order, decided to comply with the kids. We right on the water, not sure if we were going to get bad surge. Obviously, it's not very great. We're still not at the eye of the storm yet. We're going to see what happens. So I figured perfect opportunity, assuming I can get any internet connection to share this video with you. We are going to run one of our special storm sales. It's only $20. I've got a great package put together for, again, a mere whopping $20. Click the link below, take a look at what the package is. I think you'll love it. What you're gonna get, overwhelming value for just $20 in celebration of Hurricane Ian. How wonderful is that? So, obviously, not a great day for us to be driving around looking for deals, but afterwards might be the perfect time for that. We got to work on things as come because you can help a lot of people after a storm such as this. Category 4, almost skimmed Category 5, I think. It's been pretty rough night. Looking forward to the rest of a rough day. Then tomorrow, I'm about 5 miles inland at a friend's house to get away from the storm surge. But tomorrow we go back on the water, see what the damage to the house is, and who knows what'll happen. But meanwhile, you can take advantage of this awesome storm deal for only $20 to see the list of everything that's included, the massive, honestly, massive, overwhelming value for just $20. Take a look at the link below, and I think you're gonna love it. So for now, from the middle of Hurricane Ian in Sarasota, Florida, it's Tom Zeeb with Traction Real Estate Mentors, signing off.